What's good, guys? Another crazy day in the markets. For the second day I didn't trade, the arm. But it's getting a little better, so yeah, that's good. Alright, so again, I'm not in my usual setup, so I'm gonna make this work anyways. But let's hop into the charts. Is this right? Yeah, I think this is good. So yesterday we talked about having that ABC. This was pretty surprising. Let's zoom in. So let's start off with what I was right about. So I called for a bounce. I had it drawn like this or something like that. I don't know what it was, but I called for a bounce anywhere in, I believe, this area. That area. And we bounced perfectly off the golden pocket, where I said stocks tend to go there. And we bounced perfectly. Like, that is a beautiful bounce. And then we got rejected here and just sold off for the rest of the day. And that was what surprised me a little bit, just because I was expecting we would keep going. So I looked at the bigger picture again, and I looked at these levels where we can bounce from. And we are technically still in an ABC, because this is the absolute lowest we can go, the 0.888. So this is still in the picture, and this actually gives us an even higher target than before. But yesterday I believe I did say I was bullish for today. Just because I was thinking this drop would have happened faster, but instead it took the entire day to happen. So yeah, I guess I was wrong about being bullish for today, but we went to those targets I was aiming for, and I didn't give any lower targets yesterday just because I didn't think we would pull back this much, but I guess we did. So at this point, yeah, it's gonna get really tricky here. This is another time where we're just gonna want to be like waiting to see if we break that 436 level, go to 430 or 420, as I said in my last video, as well as to the upside, because with all that short gamma, it can spark another short squeeze. So if you're shorting, that's not going to be fun. I got caught in that one and that one. Yeah, that was painful, but yeah, that's not happening again. So where can we go from here? Honestly, we're gonna sell this right here. You can see how we got rejected right here, and this is where I may have kind of made a mistake yesterday. I wasn't really looking at anything that was I was only looking for the lines that were proportional, and this isn't proportional at all, but I think we're gonna have to consider this. We got rejected right there at that level. So if that was our ABC, and we've already corrected, there's nothing stopping us from going back to 430, 420. So who knows? Maybe this crash is starting to develop right now. I kind of have my doubts, but I really wouldn't be surprised if it starts happening now. So we had these 5 waves. I called that bottom out, and this was this area. I thought this was our A wave, this whole move. We counted out these counts too, so I guess it was, I should have considered that this was a possibility, and I did give the possibility that the ABC was already completed, but or that there was an ABC, but one that wasn't completed yet. I had it drawn like something like this, I think. Something like this. So yeah, I guess we have to keep this here, because if we are bearish, if we don't double bottom here, which is this is the only possibility right now. We have to double bottom. If we don't double bottom, it's game over. If we don't double bottom, game over. We're at that last level, that last retracement level, right here. The 888. This is, yeah, we gotta hold here or else it's gonna be rough. So besides that, bullish scenario, I guess this 450. That's my bullish scenario. Yeah, it gets dangerous around here. We can really start seeing all the big pullouts of institutions, so be ready, I guess. Yeah, it's really just a question of, have we finished the ABC or not? If we haven't, then we're set for that gap. That gap still hasn't filled. Still not filled. Right. That's where we still need to go to. Other than that, it's ready to go down. The only thing stopping us from going down is that gap. Because we may have completed that ABC right here. And if we have, we are set for our next leg down, which is so this is gonna be 1, 2, 3. Good lord. So to make these waves proportional, it would be 1, 2, 4, 424, something like that. It could really start getting rough. One thing that can save it, the short gamma, spark another short squeeze, but other than that, it's not looking good. Last video I said I was not optimistic on the next few weeks, and because the short gamma is so high, it magnifies the moves. Just makes everything more explosive either way. So maybe it starts happening a little sooner than I thought. I don't think it's that far away, but yeah, next week, beginning of next week, maybe we bounce from right here. If not, we're looking under 430. So yeah, that's it for today. Be careful, make some smart investments, manage your risk. Yeah, we'll see how it goes next week, but yeah, that's it for this video. Shorter one, not much to say. Yeah, peace.